Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to learn some important concept of direct tax. So let us start. Income. It is a very important concept of a income tax. Income means a sum of money which we have received. For example, income received in the form of the interest, in dividend, any capital gain received. So all these are the examples of the income. Let us clear the more concept and understood the concept of the income which are taxable as the Income Tax Act. So to understand the concept of income in a better way, one should keep in the mind the following important points. First point is the normally income is expected to be a periodically monetary return of regular form of a definite source. It means those income which is expected in a periodically monetary returns. It means the income which we have returned in a monetary forms. So in any definite source, hence it is considered as a taxable income. Next is the income may be received in cash or kind. Any income, it will be received in the cash or kind. Means received in cash, it means the monetary benefits, or kind, it means the non-monetary benefits. Non-monetary benefits means given the employees as the medical benefits, medical insurance policies, or the leave travel concessions. So these incomes are considered as the kind. It means the non-monetary, and the monetary terms in the form of a cash. So all these are subject to the income tax. Third income, it means income may be way of the lawful means or unlawful means. Lawful means it means we have to follow the legally rules, and unlawful it means prohibited. So all the incomes is subject under the Income Tax Act. Fourth income may be taken either on accrual basis or on the receipt basis. Accrual basis, it means income which is arrived but not received, or the receipt basis, it means income which we have received. Both are the effects of a nature of income is subject to taken as the income tax. Another concept is the personal gift. Personal gift, it means such a gift at the time of marriage is not income chargeable to the tax. Personal gift, it means for example, it given to the love, nature, affection. So it is not chargeable to the tax in the hands of a person who received it. It means a assessee has earned the income by the way of a personal gift. So it is not to be considered. Hence, it is not chargeable to the income tax. Gift received by a professional in appreciation of their professional skill is considered as an income. Any professional who have received the income by way of the professional skill, so hence it is considered as the income tax. Fine. The terms include loss. Loss is to be taken as the minus income. If suppose the income might be a loss, then also we have to taken the income tax, subject of the income tax. So only we have to taken the income, and then it should be deducted. Next one is the pin money. Pin money, it means a receipt by a wife for his personal expenses, not treated as the income. Pin money, it means suppose a husband gave some amount of money to his the wife for an inessential things. So these are not a income of a subject to the chargeable of a income tax. So hence it is not to be the considered. And the next is the awards. Awards received by any professional sportsman. However, the award received by him in the nature of gift or testimonials is not liable to the tax. Suppose a professional sports has received some amount, is to be chargeable to that tax, but he has to receive any type of a nature or a gift, is not liable to tax in the Income Tax Act of 1961. So all these are the concept of incomes. Okay, now we will see the illustration and clear the concept of an income. So in here, state with reason whether the following receipt or income under section 2, subsection 24 of the Income Tax Act 1961. It means the income is taxable or not. If it isn't taxable, so state the reason why it isn't taxable. Or if it is not taxable, then also write the reason why it isn't non-taxable. The first is the income received from smuggling gold into the India. So income received हुआ है, कहाँ से received हुआ है? Smuggling gold into India. So ये income है. Answer yes, income है. Income may be lawful or unlawful, means it is an income, immaterial under the Income Tax Act. Yes, this income might be lawful or unlawful. Hence, it is subject to be a taxable of the Income Tax Act. So next, second example, gift received from patient to the doctor. गिफ्ट रिसीव हुआ है, किसको रिसीव हुआ है? डॉक्टर को. किसके थ्रू रिसीव हुआ है? पेशेंट के थ्रू रिसीव हुआ है. सो इट इज एन टैक्सेबल और नॉट? Answer yes, it is an taxable. Gift received by a professional in the appreciation of the professional skill is considered as an income. So it is an taxable. Third, gift received by son on occasion of his marriage. Gift received हुआ है by the son on the occasion of his marriage. Here it is an income or not income. Answer is no. Personal gift received on the occasion of son marriage is not income in the hands of the recipient. जो भी income उनको marriage के through कुछ gift मिला है, वो income tax subject में वो taxable नहीं है. Clear? अवार्ड रिसीव्ड बाय अ स्पोर्ट्समैन. स्पोर्ट्समैन को कुछ अवार्ड रिसीव्ड हुआ है. आंसर yes. In the case of sportsman who is professional, the award received by him, hence it is chargeable to the tax. It means a sportsman received the amount, so it's considered as the chargeable to the tax. If a sportsman received some personal gift, it is not chargeable to the tax. So here it isn't chargeable to the income tax. Next, reimbursement of convenience and traveling expenditure of employee. Employee को कुछ reimbursement मिला है, is related to convenience and traveling expenditure. Answer no, it is not treated as income. The employee get the benefit as per the some fringe benefits or the perquisite, so it is not considered as the income. So these are the examples of an income. So the next concept is the assessee. Assessee means a person who are eligible to pay the tax. So the income tax is a certain percent of your income that you have to pay regularly to the government. It means the income which you have paid regularly to the government to a certain amount of a percent. Here the meaning of assessee, it means the person who pay tax to the government in an assessment year. वो income जो हमने relevant year में और previous year में income earned किया है, वो income हम कभी pay करेंगे? Next assessment year में pay करेंगे. So हमारा current assessment year क्या होगा? 1st April 2020 and ends on the 31st March 21. The person who has been taxed to the previous year for income earned by him treated as a assessee. जो income earned किया है हमने previous year में और वो जो taxable है, उसको क्या बोला जाता है? उस पर्सन जो एलिजिबल है इनकम टैक्स पे करने के लिए, उस पर्सन को क्या बोला जाता है? असेसी बोला जाएगा. असेसी इज द पर्सन हु आर लायबल टू पे द टैक्स in an assessment year is called an assessee. Fine. Here, these are the types of the assessee who are liable to pay the tax to the government. So these type of the assessee. Assessee includes the individual or partnership firm. Partnership firm, it means a partnership under the Act of the 1932, and the limited liability partnership. Limited partnership liability Act comes at the 2008. The next assessee, Hindu Undivided Family, Joint Hindu Family Business. Next, artificial judicial person, association of person and body of the individuals. Next, local authority and the company. Here all these are the types of the assessee who are liable to pay the tax to the governments. Okay. The type of assessee is the first type is the individual. Individual, it means it refers to a human being. It means a natural person, being whether it is a male or female, minor or a major. Minor, it means the below 18 years. Major, it means the above the 18 years, male, female. All these are the related to the individual persons, and hence it is liable or subject to the income tax payable or Act of the 1961. So these are the individuals. Next part is the next assessee considered as the company. Company, it means any artificial person created by the law with legal personality, perpetual succession and a common seal, with a limited liability of members, share a common purpose and to achieve the desired goals, whose aim in the generating the profit. It means a company and an artificial person. Company is considering as a artificial person है किसने क्रिएट किया है, कोई लॉ के अंडर में क्रिएटेड हुआ है with a legal personality and have a common seal and a perpetual succession. Here the members or the shareholders liability is the limited up to the face value of shares, and a common purpose is the to achieve the some desired goals and aims in the generating the profit. So these are the features of the company. It is the one type of the assessee. It is also subject of the to pay the liable of a income tax. So the next assessee is the partnership firm. Partnership firm, it means it is one type of the organization which is formed by the two or more persons to share the viewer some profit, and it is a separate legal entity of the part. It is governed in under the Partnership Act 1932, but it's a separate legal entity as the Income Tax Act 1961. Here it is an entity which comes into existence as a result of a partnership agreement between two or more persons and to share the profit of the business carried on by all or any one of them. Though a partnership firm does not have a separate legal entities, it is only governed under the Partnership Act 1932, but it is an income tax have a separate entity, is under liable to pay the tax. So it is a one type of the assessee. Here the limited liability partnership. Limited liability partnership means it is a body corporate and is a legal entity separate from its partnership firm, and the Partnership Act 2008. Here the liability of a partners will be a limited. It means limited liability partnership is a body corporate and it is a separate legal entity from his partnership firm, and it is existent is the 1st April 2008. The main important feature, the partner's liability is the limited, but in the partnership the liability of a partner is an unlimited. Here the limited liability partnership, the main feature is the liability of a partners will be a limited, and it came force into the 1st April 2008, and it is also a separate legal entity, and hence it is subject to the taxable of the Income Tax Act 1961. So it is also one type of the assessee. The next one is the local authority. Local authority, it means it is an organization that is officially responsible for all the public services and the facility in a particular area. In an organization that's an officially responsible to all the public services and the facilities in the particular area. For example, municipalities, panchayats, port, trust, etc. are comes at the local authority. It means official responsibility to all the public services and the facilities in the particular areas. Okay. Next assessee seen the Hindu undivided family. Hindu undivided family, it means a joint Hindu family business. It is a relation between the family members created due to the operation of the Hindu law. It is created in, due to the operation as the Hindu law. It is a relation between the all the family members. The manager of the Hindu undivided family is called the Karta. It means in a family, in a senior most members is called the Karta, and its members are called the co-personers. The जो इस ज्वाइंट हिंदू फैमिली बिजनेस में जो सीनियर मोस्ट मेंबर है उसको क्या बोला जाता है? कर्ता. एंड द बाकी के जो मेंबर्स रहते हैं उसको क्या बोला जाता है? को-पर्सनर्स. हियर द कर्ता's liability is an unlimited and the co-partners limited liability is an limited. The next assessee consists as the association of a person. Association of person, it means when the persons combine together to carry on a joint enterprises and they do not constitute the partnership under the ambit of law. It means could some of the persons comes together and carry on the joint enterprises, but वो किसी लॉ के अंडर में नहीं, मतलब वो रजिस्टर्ड नहीं कराते हैं. ये साथ में मिलके 2 और मोर पर्सन्स भी हो सकते हैं, कोई इंडिविजुअल हो सकता है, एनी कंपनी आ सकती है, कुछ मेंबर्स रह सकते हैं जो ज्वाइंटली मिलकर कुछ एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का काम करते हैं. उसको क्या बोला जाता है? एसोसिएशन ऑफ person receiving income jointly, and there must be some common purpose and the common actions to achieve the some common goals, that is to earn the incomes. Okay, if I said the legal entity, it means the limited liability partnership, but here the entity does not ambit of a law. Here the persons jointly come and to mean the purpose is the to earn the profit, so considering as the association of person. The next one is the body of individuals. Body of individuals is also similar to as an association of person. However, in a body of individuals, 2 or more individuals can join with an intention to earn some income. Here the body of individuals only contains the individuals. यहाँ पे सिर्फ individuals आएंगे काम करने को. जैसे association of person पे आपको बताया कंपनी भी आ सकती है, कोई firm रह सकती है, but यहाँ पे only 2 or more individuals have come and to run the business to main intention to earn the some incomes, so it's called as the body of individuals. The next artificial judicial body. Artificial judicial person, that is a public corporation established under the special act of the legislature, and a body have a jurisdiction. It means the legal personality of his own are known as the artificial judicial persons. Here is the person which comes as the established under the special act of a legislature, which is the legal in nature. And some example, it is in this artificial judicial person, that is the university. University, it is an artificial person. Or the example is suppose Reserve Bank of India. It comes as the artificial judicial person, right? So here the illustration problem. So the type of assessee will be a more clear. Ascertain the legal status of the following person. Here the first example is a village panchayat. A village panchayat, it means a self-government organization. So comes under the local authority. Second example, Mr. Jagdish, proprietor of a Messrs Vishal Trading Company. So Mr. Jagdish, it is an individual person, it's a natural or a human being person, so comes under an individual. Third example, Pune University. Pune University, it comes under the artificial judicial person. Artificial judicial person, it is an established under a special act of a legislature and a body having a legal personality. So here it comes under an artificial judicial person. Fourth, Messrs Weber and Associate, a partnership of 2 commercial artists. Here a associate or a partnership, so comes under the firm. Fifth example, Kolkata Municipal Corporation. Kolkata Municipal Corporation is also a local authority. It is a self-government organization, so comes under the local authority. Here is the more examples. Reliance Industries Limited. Reliance Industries Limited, it comes under a company. Simple. Next, a joint Hindu family consisting of Mr. Sunil, his wife Mrs. Pratibha, and a minor son Swapnil. So here it is considered as a Hindu undivided family. So comes under the Hindu undivided family, joint Hindu family business. Thane Municipal Corporation. Thane Municipal Corporation, it is an local authority. It is a self-government organization, so comes under the local authority. Kalpana Cooperative Housing Society. So it covers under the AOP or BOI. Why AOP BOI? It means a Kalpana Cooperating Housing Society does not refer the registration or the legal entity. So hence it is considered as the either association of person or body of individuals. If it is in written that the Kalpana Cooperating Housing Society is a registered firm, so maybe it comes under the limited liability partnership. But there is no information given, so hence it is considered as the association of person or body of individuals. Next is a partnership firm with A, B, C and partners. So here the considered as a firm. So these are the examples of the type of assessee. So here I am giving you the homework problem. ये प्रॉब्लम आप खुद से सॉल्व करके देखेंगे और ये देखेंगे कि कौन से टाइप का assessee है और उसका लीगल स्टेटस क्या है. सो आप ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करके रखें. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम इसके आंसर्स को डिस्कस करेंगे. So in today's lecture, we had learned some important concept of an income tax, that is the concept of an income. In that concept of income, we understood that just some important incomes which is chargeable to the tax and some incomes which are not to be chargeable to the tax. And one more concept, that is an assessee. Assessee, it means a person who are liable to pay the tax, and the types of assessee. Types of assessee here, it includes that is individual, joint Hindu family business, partnership firm. It also includes the limited liability partnership, then association of person, body of individual, then artificial judicial persons, companies. So all these are covered as the types of assessee. Here I conclude the lecture. In the next lecture, we will meet and discuss some more important functions and the concepts of the income tax. So till that, take care of yourself. Thank you.